Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your PayPal to Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your PayPal to Acuity scheduling anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to give different payment options. It can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your PayPal, here on the left side, you're going to click on payment settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these three payment options. However, in order to connect your PayPal, you're going to click on the connect button underneath the PayPal logo. Okay, next, Acuity settings is going to ask for the email address attached to the PayPal account you want to receive payments to. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in the email address, go ahead and click on connect. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to be able to see your email address underneath the PayPal account. Also, you're going to see this red disconnect button underneath the PayPal logo. So now my customers will have an option to pay with their PayPal in my Acuity scheduling. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your PayPal account to your Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.